Hey guys, Eli here. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about e-commerce dropshipping and why it is a proven model for your success. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk to you a bit about the dropshipping model, what it is. So if you've never heard about dropshipping before, I'm going to explain to you why it is amazing, why I love it, why it is so profitable and has such a low risk and low downside and has a humongous upside. I'm then going to compare dropshipping against a traditional business and why it is so much better and why it is a great business model to start if you are looking to either create a side hustle or create your own online business. What is dropshipping? It is just arbitrage. A customer's going to come into your store. Your store is going to be a virtual store. It's going to be hosted on a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or ClickFunnels. In this example, a customer is going to come into your store. They're going to buy a product, and that product in this example is $200. All you do is collect the cash from the customer, forward that order from the customer to a supplier, and you're going to pay a wholesale price. So in this example, the wholesale price is $150. You are going to keep the difference, which in this case is $50. Your supplier is then going to take full responsibility of shipping the product to your customer. Your only job in this entire process is to market the product, the selling of the thing, to create value, make people want to buy your product. In this section, I'm going to talk to you now, you know a bit about how the process of dropshipping works. I'm going to explain and compare dropshipping against a traditional business. And this is where it really gets good. And this is where a lot of people have a bit of an epiphany moment and go, oh my God, this is why dropshipping is amazing. I have to start it today. So dropshipping, you do not have to have inventory. It is not like a traditional business where you need to hold a large quantity of stock. All you do is have a website, that is it, and do the advertising. As a result of that, you have far less capital required to start. All you need to do is pay for software to host your website. Compare that to a traditional business where you need to pay for overheads like the physical building, employees, producing and manufacturing a product, making that product in large quantities, paying storage fees to hold that product somewhere, and then paying more employees to ship that product out. Compared to your business where you just have a website and spend a few dollars with Zuckerberg, that's it. That's your business. You are just doing the advertising of the thing, pass on at a wholesale price to a supplier, they send it to your customer. You also have ability to test a wide variety of products. If something isn't working, you can cut it, you can get rid of it, you can transition, you can change into something that is working. If you try this product and it doesn't sell, get rid of it, try something different. Okay, you have that ability, that flexibility to maneuver yourself and position yourself in a way that you can be profitable very quickly. Compare that to a traditional business where you have to go all in a particular product. You're making that product. You're in that niche. You are married more or less to that niche. You are getting a business loan and you are going in the red for a long time before maybe, if you're lucky, a lot of businesses don't even do this, crawl back out slowly, become profitable again. Where with dropshipping, because there's such a low amount of risk, low amount of startup, you can literally be profitable from day one because you have that flexibility to find products. And if it's not working, you don't have to go very far into the hole before hopefully you can hit a product that is selling and get profitable really quickly. With dropshipping as well, you have zero warehouse and storage costs. It is your supplier that has the warehouse. Your supplier has the warehousing and stocking fees, not you, okay? Not you. And that's really important. Compared that to a traditional business where you are paying that warehousing and that stocking fee. You also don't have any employees with dropshipping. You just host a website. You get a sale, you send the sale to the supplier. The supplier will have employees. The supplier will have employees who are shipping that product out. Compare that to a traditional business where it's either you are working your butt off 24/7 as the only employee, but more than not, you're going to have to pay other employees to come in and work as well. You have very cheap shipping fees. We're talking less than $5 to ship a product worldwide. Compared that to a traditional business where you're probably going to be paying $100, $200 plus to ship a product across the other side of the world. And like I said as well, you don't have to worry about the shipping, okay? It's all done through your supplier. All you're doing is hosting a website and getting people to buy your product. Now, another big bonus with dropshipping is that you don't have a physical location, which means you don't have that overhead, and also it means you can travel. I just came back from Canada. I don't know if you can see, I came back from Vancouver. I was over in London, Paris, and my business was still making money. Okay, you can't do that if you have a physical location unless you're employing a lot of people to be present while you are gone. With dropshipping, as long as I had my laptop and I could spend half an hour a day to make sure my site was still up and my traffic, my people were still coming to my website, my business was ticking over and making sales. So as a result, dropshipping has low capital. Okay, you do not need much money to start dropshipping. $500,000, you're good to go. Dropshipping is low risk. You don't have to have inventory. You don't have to have a lot of capital. You have the ability to transition and maneuver yourself and ditch products that aren't working to find products that are selling. There is a very high upside with dropshipping. You can be profitable very quickly. Where a traditional business, you're probably going to get a business loan from day one. You're going to be in the hole. It's high risk as well. So you might not even come out because you're married to a product, married to a niche. If that niche or product doesn't work, you're not getting out of that hole. You're just going to take that loss. Both have a high upside. So pick the one that has low capital, low risk, and high upside, especially if you're starting out, especially if you are new to this, especially if you are looking for a way to create extra income or replace your 9-to-5 job. Dropshipping is a great way to do it. Low capital, low risk, very, very high upside. I hope now that I've explained this, you understand how the dropshipping model works, and you also understand how it compares to a traditional model and why it is so much better. You look at how many traditional businesses are going under right now. E-commerce is just taking over. Like, you look at how many people are spending money online now. Okay, traditional businesses are going under. E-commerce, online business is taking off. It is a boom and you need to be a part of it. I hope you guys got a lot of value from this. If you did, hit the like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.